This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kirby Wood. Highly sought after Braden River Lakes subdivision. This 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, 2-car garage home has an open floor plan. The living area boasts cathedral ceilings and lots of natural light along with a ceiling fan. Separate dining room has higher ceilings as well, great for entertaining. Large kitchen with eat-in area. Master bedroom can accommodate a king-size bed and has a walk-in closet. Both master and living area offer sliding glass door access to the screened-in porch with tranquil views of the pond in your backyard. Braden River Lakes offers great amenities to its residences including community pool, tennis/pickleball courts, playground, sand volleyball court, barbecue grills and gazebo, all along the Braden River. There is a new kayak launch as well. Low HOA fees and popular school district make this a great place to live. Convenient location close to shopping, restaurants, and the beautiful beaches on Anna Maria Island. For more information, review the details below or contact Kirby Wood at 954-693-0100.